Howdy, 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 friends. What is happening? I hope you are doing awesome. Tyson Bowman, Rockstar Life Realty, your one and only source that is life built upon the rock. So, monthly market update. Here we go. Pop off. Alrighty, so don't believe what you hear in mainstream media until you look at the local data. And that is what we are going to do here in regards to the real estate market. So check it out. Homes sold. So we're up 8% in just 1 month. That's not what I'm hearing in corporate media. I'm hearing a doomsday prophecy when it comes to that. So, but we are down, of course, from last year, 21%. But things are definitely not at a rock bottom. So median sale price in just 1 month up 5%. Actually, it's up 5% from last year as well. Median list price up 7%, and same thing this time last year. We are up 7% from that. Now, sale to list price ratio. Okay, we are at 96%, down from 98%. That has been trending down. No surprise, because when we had all those multiple offer situations and those feeding frenzies, of course, over asking price was being offered on many properties. Many folks experienced that or had friends or family who experienced that, and it was very real. But clearly, we're out of the woods on that. So if you're a buyer, get that pre-qual letter in hand or get that proof of funds letter in hand and go out there and start fishing for some deals. Feel free to reach out to me to see if I have any, scoop on what you're looking for, or just go to rockstarliferealty.com and search all of the local inventory, including exclusive inventory that I have on there in pretty much all the price ranges. So go ahead and check that out. So sales volume, surprisingly, in just 1 month, up 22%, which I am happy about. I will tell you that. But, from last year, we are still down 10%. Median days on market. So in 1 month, trending upwards. In 1 year, trending upwards as well. So no surprise there. If you are a seller, expect more days on market. And if you want to see, what the value of your property is, I got a link below the video. You can get, a quick comparable market analysis on your property. Go ahead and just, click that link, and I will get that out to you ASAP. Homes sold year to date, no surprise, down 31%. So let's keep going here. Here's kind of just a snapshot of the market. The high price was on almost a $13 million piece of real estate. So, the Western North Carolina real estate market is just very solid. I've been preaching this and telling people this for years. If you're an investor, your money is well spent here. It's going to be secure. It's going to be a good hedge against properties you may own elsewhere. Maybe you're just, a single person or, a single family looking to have a vacation home that you also want to rent out. It's such a good place here for that as well. So feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about that. And I just want to go back here. So yes, this is where the sale to list price ratio has been going down for some time. As you can see, we are well above 100%, over 100%. And for those of you, who don't know what that kind of means there, that means if a property, cost $100,000, it was selling at $105,000. It was closing at that price over asking. And that really started heavily going that direction after midsummer 2020. Things just really started heating up fast in that time. As you know, inflation started then, and it kind of got out of control. But friends, that's all I've got for now. Hey, if I can do anything to help you personally, please feel free to reach out. I'm here for you. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next one. Peace and victory. Rockstar Life. Talk to you soon.